Hi, welcome back to our Bancroft project. I am here on a cool fall day inspecting the site. Not really inspecting, I'm seeing how things are going and seeing what's been in place since I was here last. So let me turn this around. So first, before I turn it around, check out that view right out the windows. Really spectacular. And let me turn this around and I'll show you some of the progress we've made. Hello everyone. Sorry for the noise in the background. Hopefully my phone does a great job of cutting it out. This is our kitchen. We have some of it installed because, you know, things happen on site, guys. Sometimes you don't get all the cabinetry on the weekend. You have the installers here. And then you gotta wait for some stuff and then the installers aren't available. So we're also waiting on the appliances, but this is the cool colors you guys got a preview of that are going in here. The uppers up there are white. This is going to be a really cool space. You get to see right back here. In the middle there is where I intend the TV to go in the family room. So you got these cool windows on either side. And let me get to a better spot and I'll show you the view. So this is the amazing view in the fall, guys. Look at these gorgeous trees. And this isn't even the peak. You can see some of the leaves are already off. But this is the beautiful peak. You can see we're starting to even out the outside here. We're just discussing with the contractor and my design partner, really, what we're going to do with the decking out here. I foresee this area in the middle as a big, like, family entertaining area. So look forward to that. And then across the way, that's the masters. So they're going to get their own little deck to kind of sit and have coffee in the morning. And then you can see the lovely creek that runs through Bancroft. Let me show you a couple other things. We've got some vanities. We're not quite ready to put the fronts on it, but we're very excited. This is a gorgeous big wood vanity. This is a shared bathroom, so that's another bedroom across the way. And then this is a separate room with a toilet. There's going to be some cabinetry, which you actually saw sitting in the other room. And this beautiful big shower area with a window in it. And then up here is a skylight that's coming through in this room. That'll be really nice on sunny days. You can see how gorgeous our floors look everywhere. And I just gave kudos to our contractor. This transition is seamless. He hates those ugly transition strips as much as I do, which is why we get along so well. This is a really, by the way, high-end feature in your house, not having to have those strips between the floorings. And these are different thicknesses, so that takes a little bit of work and forethought. This is a huge trust exercise with general contractor and design partner. These are our black doors going in everywhere. Starting to get the paint. There's a little bit of details that need to go on here. Otherwise, we're getting things in place. And check out the amazing view that's out the back here. All right, check out the entry into the master bath. That's our double drawer vanity, floating vanity. Beautiful wood accent to go with all the light, gorgeous finishes in here. This is our mat floor for safety. And the gorgeous polished tiles that match are going to go on the walls. All the way up to the ceiling, all the way around the tub surround. We're going to have glass doors and a glass wall in here. And things are coming along in here. This is the shower wall. It's going to have a bunch of amazing fixtures. We're going to have a rain shower head up there, coming from basically where the height of rain would. And this is going to have a top on top of it to look like it's undermounted, which looks really cool, even though it's not actually. This is a top-mounted tub. Little trick. Okay, guys, that's our third little walkthrough of our Bancroft project. And the next time you see this, it should be just about finished. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.